So in the batch management, we will be defining the material to be come into warehouse or go from the warehouse in batches. So for this, we define the characteristic for the material, that what should be the characteristic. We are categorizing the material by which characteristic we are categorizing. So the T code is CTG4. Here we are giving the characteristic name like MM care. Enter the characteristic name, click on create, give the description like batch material characteristic. After this, we should focus on this, that the status should be always in released, and it should be the character format for the class. The name of the number of characters can be 4 in the characteristic, and also we can assign multiple values to the characteristic. After this, click on enter, click on values. We can give the characteristic values, like for example, if I'm defining the characteristic by size, color, so the color value can be green, red, yellow, or blue. These are the different values of the characteristic. Just press enter, and we now click on save. So here we can see the characteristic GMM care is saved. Now, after the creating the characteristics, we will be grouping all these characteristics into one class. So for this, go to CL02. Here we can give the name of the class as GMM class. Click on, similarly give the class type for what we are defining this class. We are defining this for the batch. So this should be fixed for the batch management. Now click on create. Enter the description that this is batch class for materials. The status should be released, and after that go to characteristic, enter the characteristic you have just created. We can define multiple characteristics and can be defined group them into one class. So we can enter other characteristics also if we are defined those. After this, click on save. You can see our class type 023, which is for batch management. The class name has been created. After grouping all the characteristics into class, we will be defining the sequence, how we will be sorting those characteristics. So I will be naming the sequence name, that G care sequence. Click on enter. This is the characteristic. Characteristics sort sequence. Status should be released. Then click on enter. And click on save. So our sort sequence with this name GCAD sequence has been created. After this, we should defining the condition table like we defining in the procedure, pricing procedure. So in the similar way, we will be defining here. Table number 505 is there. Let's define 501. So we will be taking material and plant into this table. Click on generate. Table 023 is already defined with the same fields. So no issue. Click on enter. We want to generate the condition table. Yes. Click on global object for now. So table 805 POTH 501 has been saved.
That's the technical page. Can you know that? 501 ये सिस्टम का नाम ऐसा आता है टेक्निकल नेम.
So table 501 is created.
One thing, when you're creating the sort sequence, I believe you will miss one step. You need to add the correct
शॉर्ट सीक्वेंस में है ना, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में जाके डाला नहीं है आपने.
इसमें सीक्वेंस देना पड़ेगा ना.
CL71 लिखिए.
This U70, so we will be changing this for
U71.
U71.
हाँ, फिर ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक में जाके यहाँ पे डालना पड़ेगा.
To enter the characteristic here, how what we will be sorting. So we will be defining it that we will be sorting the characteristic. Now click on save. So we have defined the characteristic for the material. We will be grouping into those into classes and defining the sort sequence to sort those characteristics. We have defined the condition table. Now we will be assigning that condition table to access sequence to access the field in a particular sequence. Entries, access sequence, access sequence for PM1. First click on save. Let's save this selector key. Okay, we will be need to define the access sequence 1 is saved. Now select this access sequence, go to accesses, go to new entries, enter the table number, press enter. Now select this table number, go to fields. We can see we have maintained these two fields in this table. That's fine. Click on save. Exit from it. Now we will be defining inventory management strategy types for the material management. Here we have already defined strategy types for inventory management. What do we need to do everything here? So we need to
न्यू
make
क्रिएट करना
inventories.
पड़ेगा.
Yes. So we are creating here sheet of condition type. That here condition type is treated as like there is like search procedure. Define search procedure. Activate fetching. Okay. We will be given here the condition type HCT5 condition type for batch management. Access sequence is G1. Class is CMM class. Sort sequence is G character sequence. So in this step, we are just combining class with condition type, access sequence, and sort sequence. Just press enter and click on save. Condition type is GCTY. Done. Now go to the screen. We will be defining inventory management search procedure. Click on inventories. Enter C. Search procedure for batch. It is search. It is the search procedure for batch. Click on save. So we have defined the search procedure for the batch management. Select the search procedure, go to controls. Here we will be defining the steps, how we are maintaining the counters condition type. On step 1, condition type is GCTY. Press enter. Maintaining the condition type. Just click on save. Go to new screen. Here it is batch search procedure. And check activation. So go to OMCG search procedures. Here we need to enter the search procedure, that is ESPB. Click on check batch, press enter and save it. It means we have defined the search procedure for this movement type 101. Back. Now we are creating new material. Industry sector is chemical engineering. Material type is ROH. Click on enter. Basic data, purchasing, MRP, general plant, and accounting. Select enter, enter the plant, enter the storage location, select enter, enter the material description that it is plastic chair. Chair can be measured in pieces. The material group is zero one. Now press enter. We can see in purchasing there is batch management option. We need to check it, check mark this, assign the purchasing value key, press enter. Now in the
Purchasing group
MRP view, now in the MRP type, we can assign as no planning for now. Click enter. In the plant data storage, we can see the batch management, and batch management is assigned at plant level. As currently we have assigned plant as evaluation area. Now give the valuation class for this, enter the standard price 200, press enter, save this material. Material is 2277 is created. Now we need to define the batch search strategy. Here the strategy type means it is the condition type. Press enter. In condition type, assign the plant we will be using, and it is no. One second, let me see.
एंटर करके सेव ही करना है।
Press enter, press save. The condition record has been saved for this material and this plant. Now we are creating the batch manually. We can create batch later also while creating purchase order, but for now we are creating batch now. Give the storage location. Press enter. Internal number assignment is needs to be done. So here we see the batch status should be unrestricted. Basic data. Okay, classification. In classification, we need to give the class name, CMM class. Press enter. Go to material data. The class type is 023. It's fine. Click on save. So batch number 72 has been generated for this material. Now go to new screen. We need to create purchase order now. Go to ME21N. Enter the supplier. Then search the supplier, the respective supplier 1, purchasing organization, purchasing pro, but 0001 not enter the keyboard, press enter, enter the material that we have created, 2277, enter the PO quantity as 10. We don't need to enter price and all. Just go here. Storage location is not this. Storage location is 7.1. I think that was pixel 1.8. So now
इसरो प्लान चेंज करो प्लान
it's 7.10. Yeah. So now we can see that condition type net price must be greater than 0. So we need to enter the net price first. Cost price that is 100. So let's check this first. Message issued during check. We can also go to material fluid invoice. This batch while creating purchase order there is
मटेरियल डेटा में बेस डालना पड़ेगा
there it is batch material data. So we need to enter the batch number here. Click on enter. Click on check. Click on save. So my PO number has been generated. Standard PO generated. Upload this stream. Go to PG access stream. Now let's check the stock position. Click on execute. We see that for this material we have ordered 10 materials, so it is on order stock. So let's do MIGO for it to receive the material in our warehouse. Enter the purchase order number. Click on execute. So we can see that this material 2277 is needs to be received in 10 quantity. So we can give the delivery note that the product is good, or we can, after checking the materials, click on OK and click on check. The document is okay. Now we can post this document, and by saving this, so click on save. We can see that the purchase has been done. So now go to MMBE to again check the stock of this material. Now execute this. We see that whatever the quantity was in on order stock is received into our unrestricted stock or available stock to be used. Now we can okay, this is done. So finally batch management is completed with this process.